Hey guys, so today we will do unboxing of this doTerra Dawn Humidifier. I just received it today and I can't wait to unbox it. So let's unbox it now. So it says in the box, doTerra Pursue What's Pure. Okay, so I already got it at the top. So there's the paper, more paper. Okay, more paper, and then there's a box in here. So I guess this is the Dawn Humidifier. I'll grab it. Okay, so there is this small packaging. So the doTerra humidifier, the Dawn humidifier, there is a doTerra oil included. So this is Breathe and On Guard. So let's open it. And it is 15 ml. Alright. Okay, so there is a Breathe and On Guard. Okay. So put it in here. So let's unbox this doTerra Dawn Humidifier. Wow, it's nicely sealed. And it says in the box, doTerra Dawn. So it says here, doTerra Dawn Aroma Humidifier is designed to create the ultimate level of comfort in any room. Its smart sleep mode maintains ideal humidity levels throughout the night, helping create the perfect environment for bedtime. Okay. What else? So it says here, there is a sleep mode, automatically adjusts to maintain the most comfortable humidity through the night, all at a super low noise level. And then long runtime, continuously diffuses for up to 22 hours. Easy to clean, easily disables for cleaning. Top fill feature, add water and essential oils without having to remove any lids or covers, and then it has a 12 months warranty. Okay. Okay, there is this. Oh wow, it is big. I did not expect that. So there is a manual. Okay, there's a manual. Okay. And then, oops. Okay, so it's empty. see. So let's look at this. So let's see what's the manual says about this. Okay. So this is the top lid, and then this is the filter and the filter holder. Okay. And then okay, it has a two parts. So this is the air outlet, and then this at the bottom is the air inlet. Okay, air outlet and then air inlet, and then there is a button here. So the very top, this is the alignment mark, and then this one is the sleep mode button, and then the power button here. Okay, and then this is, so this is the water outlet. This part is the water outlet, and then this is the mist tube, and this is the water tank. Okay, these are the water tank. Okay, now let's, so this is the membrane, this one. So let's take this out. So I guess because I did a research, and it says that when we will put the oil, we have to put it here on the membrane. Here, the silver one, we have to pour it in here when there is a water. Okay, not on this tank. Okay, so let's take this up. Okay. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so this one, the white one, is the floater. Okay, that is the floater, and then this is the mist plate. Okay, so you will pour the oil in here when there is a water. Okay, so now let's pour a water in here. That is correct. All right, let's pour water. Okay, so let's put the water in here. And let's plug in. Okay, let's pour the water. And then the water flowing down to this. So we will pour water up to here. This is the lane. This is the line. Right, let's pour water. Oops. Okay. And then, so you can put this at the top. The good thing about here is when you need more water, you can just pour water in here. You don't need to take this out and go to the sink and then fill with water. No, you can just get a bowl or something to just fill the water. Okay. Okay, now we'll pick this up, and then you will see there is a water in here. Now we will pour the oil. This is On Guard and Breathe. Okay, just pour the water, but first we need to plug in. Let's plug in first. Already plug in. Then let's put the Breathe first. Let's put it in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then the On Guard. Okay, On Guard. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's enough. Okay. Then let's turn this on. Okay, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, the vapor is coming up, and then this is the low, this is the medium, and this is the high. Then turn off. Okay, low. Smells so good. Medium and high. But if you want to do the sleep mode, just press here and it will do the sleep mode. And the smells is really good. Oh, smells so good. So this is the doTerra Humidifier with doTerra Breathe and doTerra On Guard. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching.